What about the device I introduced to you today? It is our 122 ultrasonic welding machine. This machine can do it. Ultrasonic welding of 3 wires. And piercing. Hit both ends with 3 ends. Let's take a look first. Our machine. A detection function that comes standard. First, there's a 2-channel SOL crimping force detection, and a single-channel SOL crimping force detection. In that case, can protect one terminal of our pressure, guarantee its quality. For the second one, we have 4 sets of CCD tests. Among these 4 sets, there are 3 sets of terminal appearance detection. Performer are for the 3 terminals of the 3 wires. Visual photography for recording. The 4th set of words, just one of us. Visual inspection of ultrasonic welding condition. We have 2 requirements for the status of ultrasonic welding. First, one of our ultrasonic welding has an appearance. Do you have flying copper wire? Are there any defects? Second, our ultrasonic welding head. When doing homework, the ultrasonic welding machine will give us some signals. If there is a deviation in this area of ultrasonic welding, when there is a change or the capacity is not enough, our machines will also receive the signal. Stop doing alarm processing in time. Third, what we want to talk about is an efficiency of this machine. The efficiency of this machine. At present, it can reach 900 sets an hour. Such a finished product. Well, we did an accounting. Yes, you can save up for employees, terminal staff, employee wear and heat shrinkable tube, welding employees, and appearance inspection employees. In that case, greatly improve the production efficiency of the factory.